Hey everybody, this is Brock with Patriotic Customs. Just want to kind of go over some of the hacks or tricks to bypass the well-known air pressure error that everyone's getting with the OmTech Pronto. Yes, it is a issue that is coming up, but there is something that I have found that has worked for me since I've picked up one of, actually we have two of the Prontos, Pronto 45 over here, the Pronto 60, and it doesn't matter any of the Pronto series that you do have, it is going to happen, whether you run the stock compressor that comes with it, or if you go ahead and do the air assist upgrade before you even turn the machine on, and you go ahead and do that. So follow me, let's go ahead and knock this thing out so it saves you that headache, okay? So come on over. So what I gone ahead and did is I'm just going to set up a cut right now, and then I'm going to turn my laser on. Give me a quick second. I'll clear that out. Now, we all get this one error, air pressure error, okay? Don't panic, it is okay. Go ahead and we're gonna hit escape, okay? Go ahead, for safety purposes, go ahead and turn that laser power off and follow me over to the left-hand side as you're facing the laser, and let's go ahead and remedy that, okay? So I've already gone ahead and unlocked the left hand side. We're going to go ahead and unlock the right. Now right over here is going to be the gauge for the air pressure sensor. As you see, I've already done the air assist upgrade. I added the solenoid in here. First thing you're going to do is you have these three buttons. This blue one for mode, up and down, okay? You're going to press and hold down the blue one for mode. For the out one, press up twice to where it says W.CMP. Press mode one more time, takes you to the out 2. That remains as easy. Press it again. You're going to see the 1 dot, a 0, a 2, a dot, and a C. And then you're going to see these 1 and 2. It doesn't have anything lit. Press up to where both of those are lit up. Then everything is fine. Just cycle through everything. Now, depending on where you're at, you can set your errors to PSI, bar, etc. It's all up to your liking. Once you have done this, you're good. You're set. Now, everything's done in real time. So come follow me, and you're going to see this. Turning it over to my laser power is on. I'm pressing start. Excuse me. May have to do this portion. You may have to go ahead and cycle it off. Sometimes you have to do that. So here, you want to go ahead and come over, reset your machine from the changes that you made, turn it off, turn the power back on, let it go ahead and go homing to the upper left corner, and it'll come back to the center. There, it's all remedied, okay? No more error right here. There you have it, folks. If you like the information that you received, I'm going to go ahead and be working out some of the things that need to be worked on, or some tricks and stuff like that to make it easier for you as a user on the Pronto series, because those are the two machines that I have as far as CO2 lasers, and I also have the MOPA fiber marker 60 watt. So if you like the information, leave some comments, follow us, and share the information. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed, and see you on the next video.